Welcome back to the NASA Assassins YouTube channel. On the previous video, we did look into the pairs that we'll be looking for this week. So today is actually Friday. The market is about to close in a few hours. So we just go through the recap on how our pairs, our analysis, how we analyzed how the market actually went accordingly. So the first pair that we were gonna look into is GBPUSD. As you can see, we're just waiting for the price to actually come and respect our support here and wait for a reversal to the upside. So what it did actually, it did respect our levels and play as we expected. So as you can see, the market did actually come to our support and played around about 100 pips to our TP and also went up an extra 280 pips. We did close this trade. What we do is we try to maximize our profit. We just scale in, lock our profit. We then just close our trades when it hit our TP level. We just lock profit and see what the market actually has more to offer. On the next pair that we're gonna look into is GBP we were looking for a sell on this trade, and actually the market did respect our resistance and it reversed and it gave us a sell signal, and as you can see, it did play out as we thought it will, and it played around 140 pips to our TP, and also it did break to the downside. It did break our support level. We're just gonna wait next week, which we will share our next week's analysis on the next video, whether it will play around these prices right here if it breaks, or it's just gonna have a fake breakout and actually pull back to the resistance right here as we thought. um, on the next pair that we're gonna look, we actually looked into, this is actually Aussie USD. We actually took out this signal about around about two weeks ago. Yeah, we took out the signal, a buy signal. Actually, this was a SL and this was a TP. So we're just hoping for the market to actually hit our TP. So what happened is the market actually went up around about 60 pips. This is the second screenshot of Aussie USD. It actually went up around about 60 pips and then came back to our entry point, which respecting again, retesting our support and also creating a double bottom, and also gave us a perfect signal to buy. So what the market did is actually it did go as it showed us. It did play around about 120 pips to our TP. As you know, as the NASA Assassins community, we do focus on scaling up the trade. We just like to hold our profit, just lock our profit and see what the market actually has to offer more. So it did play around more than 200 pips to the upside, just closed for the week, and see what the next coming week has for us. So the next pair that we're gonna look into is euro. We did look into, I'm sorry, my mistake, we did look into is EURUSD. We're just waiting for the market to actually respect our support, but what it did actually, it just took off immediately on the spot. It didn't actually, like, as you know, you can never be accurate with your analysis 100% accurate. So what it did, it just respected, consolidated at this point, but did play out around about 150 pips according to our analysis. So we're just gonna wait until the market actually gets to these levels right here, and hopefully to get a reversal to the downside and look for a sell back to the support, which we will be looking to for the next coming week, and we will share on the next video, and we'll just update our Telegram group, which the link is in the description box. do check out our Telegram group where we offer free signals every week. And the next video, the next pair we looked into is EURGBP. We were looking into a sell. As you can see, the market did break to the downside and actually went back to retest the support, and we confirmed a sell. And as you can see, the market actually did play out as first, but at first it did go up a bit, around about 30 pips, uh, retesting the support and resistance before it actually played out around about 45 pips to the our analysis, and actually scaled down to about 100 pips to the downside. So that's what we do. We just maximize our profit and see what the market actually has for us before we actually close down the profit. And the next pair that we did look into is CAD-JPY. We were looking for a buy here. We did take a buy. As you can see, the price did break to the upside. It broke the support and came back to retest that support as a resistance, and looked forward to TP at this price here. And what it did actually play around about 150 pips rather. It did play around 150 pips before it actually reversed to the downside, but we did lock profit on this trade, and just took our profit and just waited to see what the market has for us. So in this coming week, we're just gonna look at this movement right here. Just gonna wait for the market to actually see what it does on on this levels here, and hopefully it goes up again to the upside. So we will be posting this signal on the next video that we'll take, and also on the Telegram group. So please do leave uh, your comments, any pairs you want us to look in, or anything you have in mind that you want us to go through. And the next pair that we did look into that actually didn't play out as we planned is NZDUSD. We were looking at a sell. Our directional bias was a sell to this prices right here. So what the market did, it just consolidated on the support and resistance, and actually broke back in and hit our stops. As you can see right here, it just consolidated on the support, just consolidated, and then actually broke back in and hit our SL. So this is the only unsuccessful trade we had this week. So as you can see, we had some pretty good numbers, and yeah, we had a great week actually. So if you did like this video, if you found it very interesting, very helpful, you can hit that like button and subscribe. And if you want to say something, you want something to get to us, you want us to comment on something, you want us to explain more on something, you can just leave a comment in the description box. And don't forget to check out our Telegram group where we post free signals. So thank you guys, have a blessed weekend. Check out our next video where we post the next week's analysis. Peace.